The Certificate IV in Real Estate Practice program is designed to bridge the gap between what is learnt in the classroom and what happens in the real estate workplace. At its core, the course covers 3 key steps. Firstly, it provides industry-relevant knowledge of the latest real estate legislation and best practices. The course develops practical skills through activities that simulate real-world agency tasks. Finally, the program aims to foster confidence and preparedness so that graduates not only understand the rules and responsibilities, but are also equipped to navigate the dynamic, client-centered nature of the role. Entry Education's Certificate IV in Real Estate Practice program offers a unique learning approach that weaves real industry insights into training. So instead of just reading about theory, participants learn through case studies that reflect real sales, leasing, and client management scenarios. We also include opportunities to practice listing presentations, running open homes, negotiations, and compliance documentation, which are the day-to-day actions that take place in any agency. At Entry Education, trainers are current industry professionals who bring real-world examples and insights. This ensures that the content is genuinely relevant to the current state of the real estate field. Participants who complete the course are not just equipped with knowledge, they also gain exposure to what it's like to operate as an agent in today's market. Okay, glad you asked. The Certificate IV in Real Estate Practice is designed to be both practical and flexible. We combine flexible online learning with real-world industry experience to foster confidence and develop skills. Participants learn through hands-on case studies and simulations that mirror the actual tasks faced in an agency. Trainers who are active in the industry provide current and relevant insights and personalised support along the way, whether it's feedback on completed work or direct guidance. And because the content is always aligned with the Victorian legislation and market trends, our participants learn processes that apply directly to the field. We also offer mixed learning options for participants to learn at their own pace or attend interactive workshops.